Hello and welcome guys, it's Bytes Republic here with one more video for this JavaScript course here on YouTube. This is a free course, so please guys don't forget to subscribe in the channel for more video. Don't forget to hit that that like button, and please don't forget to hit that bell for upcoming videos guys. So for today I'm going to teach you about JavaScript comparison operators. All right. So the first thing I wanna teach you is comments. Okay, maybe you are get get confusing with this inside my code here. But if you wanna comment something, if you comment something in JavaScript, it won't get rendered on the web page. All right. For example, we have this. And we have this document right here. If I save, refresh, and you see that there is nothing is there. This is because I have commented. I have commented what is inside. All right, and we have two types of comment. We have the /, all right, and we write something. For example, okay, let me write something with welcome, for example. All right, if I jump the line and write another thing, this here is not going to be commented, right? If I save, you're going to see an error on line 18, right? So this is the console from Google. All right, and if I do something like, let's say, you just hit the right button in the browser and click inspect. All right, so then you go to the console. All right, so this is the line 18, delete. And another type of comment is multi-line. If you want a multi-line like what I've been using here, you use / and then asterisk and then asterisk /. All right, let's delete this. And then now I can type something here like welcome. You see that this is not commented out, but if I copy these lines here and put here, both are commented. All right, so if you want to comment a multi-line, with multi-line, you use the asterisk with the /, and if you want to make a single line comment, you just use 2 /. All right, so I don't want to take too much time with this. It's just to make things more clear here about what you're seeing in this video. So the first comparison operator is equal to. So you are familiar with this one probably. So this is equal to, and we use the symbol equal to times. This is identical and same type. All right, identical and same type. And we use 3 times and equal sign. And then not equal, we use this one here. We use exclamation point and then equal. And then not identical, we use exclamation point and then double equal. Greater than, you are familiar. This one, greater than or equal to, familiar with this one. Less than, another one, and then less than or equal to. Okay, so I'm going to show you some examples for you to get it. Okay, and one we can start with the equal to. For example, all right, for example, if I write, I can put a var here. Let's say a variable x is equal to 10. All right, and I will create another variable which is y is equal to 5. All right, to close this with the semicolon. And if I go to the equal to, let's jump it in here, equal to, and I can say, let's say alert. I'm gonna use alert. Oh, I can write right there because it's a multi-line comment type. So I'm going to switch the multi-line. Okay, I'm going to switch the multi-line here, and I will use single line comments. Single line comments. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sorry for this, guys. Sorry for this. Thank you. So I've switched it to the single line comment type because I want to give some examples to you. Just after the comment, just after the type. All right. So the equal to, I can write something like, let's use an alert for this time. So alert. I will use document the right. Document the right. All right. And the reason I'm switching from the alert to document the right again is because after I put all the examples, it will alert everything. So I have to put okay. That is the problem. I think that you can get it. So with document the right, it will render on the page at once. All right. That's why I will keep using the document the right. If you prefer, I can even show you with the alert how it looks like. All right, alert just for this first one. And the equal to, I can say something like, let's say x is equal to y, and we know that this is not true. All right. So if I hit save, go here, refresh, and you see false. You see here, false. So this is false. All right. Or another thing I can use instead of alert is console.log. All right. So when you use console.log, you have to go to the page and click inspect, and then click the console to have this. If I refresh, you see the result here is false. All right. So it logs here on the console. All right. You can tell me in the comments what you prefer. I will keep using the console.log because it won't give me the stress of using alerts. All right. And another one here I can use, let's say for this one, I can use identical or same type. All right. And same type. I can say here identical and same type. Let's say console.log. Please, if you don't like to use console.log, just tell me on the comments and I will switch back for next lessons. And console.log, I can say x is equal and the same type with y. What do you think it should return? What do you think it should return? X is equal and it is the same type. Type, we're talking about, for example, boolean, number, and things like that. Those are numbers, all right, and so they're the same type. They have the same type because they are numbers, okay, and they're not identical. We know that 10 is 10 and 5 is 5, so it should return false. So if I refresh, we have false on line 12. Line 12 is this one. All right. If I change, let's say, just for you to get it, we have identical and same type. All right, identical and same type. So this is the same type, but they're not identical. But if I change this 5 to 10, we know that now it's the same type and is identical. And you see here, now it's true, right? And it's changing the two values even in the line 9 here, because x is equal to 10, and that's why it's true, right? Let's switch back to 5 here. If I put this inside the string, another example just for this, and I put here safe, and you see that the line 12 changed to false. So it changed to false because they are not the same type. This 10 here, we know that the numbers are equal, but they're not the same type. That's why it's false here, because this 10 here, the browser see it as a string, alright, or JavaScript understands it as a string, and here as a number in the X, alright. That's why it's false for this time. Let's switch back, go back to 5, hit save, refresh, and we have false, false, because they're not equal, and for this time here, X is not identical to Y. Alright, so let's go to not equal, console.log, not equal. I can say that let's say 10 is not equal, sorry sorry, it's Y. So X is not equal to Y. If I go here, refresh, and it's true, yes, because they are not equal. We know that 10 is not equal to 5, so they are not equal. And let's go, another one here is the not identical, console.log, and for this time we have not identical. So if I use X is not identical to Y, sorry, if I hit save, it should show what? Can you guess it? Of course, it should show true. Yes, true, because yes, X is not identical to Y. All right. If I change this 5 to 10, then it's identical, so it should work. It should say false. All right. So for this time, it's saying true because they're not identical. Okay. And let's go to greater than for this time. Let's go here, console.log, right? And let's say X is greater than Y. Okay, so we know that X is really greater than I, and it's say true, right? I want to change the numbers here just to show, I just want to show you that it's really, let's change this to 5. Now X is 5 and Y is 10, and you will see that it's saying that X, which is 5, is greater than Y, which is 10, and this is not true. So if I go back and refresh, and now it says false. All right, let's continue. Now console.log, and we have greater than or equal to. So X is greater or equal to Y. All right, if I hit save, semicolons, all right, save. If I hit refresh, and it says false because X is not greater and is not equal. All right, is not equal to Y. So let's less than console.log, right, and we say X is less than Y, right, semicolon, save, back, refresh, and it's true. And yes, it's true because the number 5, all right, the number 5 is less than y, right? And let's go to less than or equal to console.log, and I want to say x is less than, right, or equal to y, semicolon, save, and this should show true because the x is less or equal to y, and we know that is less, so that's why it's true, because this means less or equal, so it's less and it's true. All right, so those are the types I would like to show to you guys, right? And yeah, it's really important for you to get it. It's really important because you are going to use it in some projects. Probably I will launch a new course for some it's not the intro level like this one, but I will launch another one with some projects, and we can do some advanced JavaScript projects together, right, here on YouTube. So this all for free, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you need more video, if you like it, and if you don't like, you can dislike it because it will motivate me to do this again and again and get rid of all errors I'm doing. So please leave in the comment for anything if you have any doubt. So please don't forget one more time to subscribe to the channel. That's all for now, guys. This is how we use the comparison operators in JavaScript. So thank you for watching, guys, and I see you in the next one. Peace.